Welcome back to the session quadratic equation. In today's session, I am continuing with question number 20, exercise number 5A. Exercise 5A. Question is 2x square minus 9x plus 10 is equal to 0 when x belongs to n, x belongs to q. Q means it is a rational number and n means natural numbers. So you get the solution, two solutions you will get. So you have to separate natural numbers and you have to separate rational numbers. So use factorization method and solve this sum. Okay? So now first and the last term you have to multiply, correct? 10 to the 20x square. 10 to the 20x square, divide into two parts so that if you multiply or if you get the product 20, then if you add a subtract, you should get 9. You should get 9. 5 into 4, 5 into 4, minus 5, x, minus 4x. Correct? Now 2x square, minus 5x, minus 4x, plus 10 is equal to 0. Divide into two parts, which is a common factor here, x, 2x minus 5. Minus here also two common factor, x minus 5. 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, which is a common factor here, 2x minus 5 is one factor, into x minus 2 is another factor, is equal to 0. So 0 product rule. Either 2x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 by 2 or x is equal to 2. Therefore, natural number set is 2 and rational number set is 5 by 2. So 2 solution set you got. 1 is 2 and 5 by 2. 2 is natural number, 5 by 2 is a rational number. So like that we have to do the sum. Do it. Note down in your notebooks. Question number 22 is homework, same method you have to follow. And I am doing 23, 3x square plus 11x plus 10 is equal to 0 when x belongs to I. So integer set. So whichever the solution set comes and which is integer, that we have to pick it out. Okay? Same method. So 3x square plus 11x plus 10 is equal to 0. We have to multiply the first and the last term, 10 to the 30 plus 30x square. Find out the two terms so that we can get the product as 30 and the some additional subtraction of two numbers we should get 11. So 10 to the 30, you cannot get 6 5s are 6 into 5, isn't it? Plus 6 plus 5, x. So 3x square plus 6x plus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. So 3x is common factor, x plus 2 is another factor, 5 common, what remains? X plus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 2 is one factor, 3x plus 5 is another factor, is equal to 0. 0 product rule, x plus 2 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2 or 3x is equal to minus 5. This implies x is equal to minus 5 by 3. So solution set is minus 2 comma minus 5 by 3. But if you take integers, we are taking only minus 2. because no rational numbers are there. Only minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, like that. So therefore, minus 2 is the answer. So note down this sum. Twenty-four sum. X plus 1 by x is equal to 3, 1 by 3, comma, x is not equal to 0. Now, it is not in the standard form, so we have to bring it into the standard form. So, what is our LCM here? In the LHS, x. So, 1 into x into x square plus 1 is equal to 3 is 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 by 3. Convert into improper fraction. Mixed fraction to improper fraction. Now cross multiplication, 3 into x square, 3x square, 3 into 1, 3, 10 into x, 10x. Bring it to standard form, 3x square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. So 3 is 9, 3 is 9, for 9 x square. We have to find out two numbers so that product is 9, but if you add or subtract, it should becomes, so 9 1 9. 9x into 1x. Minus to minus plus, 9 1 9. 9, 1 plus 1, 10. So 3x square minus 9x minus 1x plus 3 is equal to 0. So 3x is common, x minus 3. Minus 1 common, x minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is one factor, 3x minus 1 is another factor is equal to 0. 0 product rule. Either x minus 3 is equal to 0 or 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Or x is equal to 3 or 3x is equal to 1. This implies x is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, solution set is 3, 1 by 3. So, this is the answer. So, if you are not there in the standard form, bring it to standard form and solve the quadratic equation. So, note down this one. So 25th sum, 5x minus 35 by x is equal to 18. So same procedure, first we have to bring it to the standard form and solve the quadratic equation. So what is the LCM in the LHS? X into x, that is 5x square minus into 1. 35 is equal to 18. Cross multiplication, 5x square minus 35 is equal to 18x. 5x square minus 18x minus 35 is equal to 0. So 35 into 5. 25, 175. So divide into two parts, that is minus 175x square. So we don't know. It is a bigger number, therefore prime factorization method you have to apply. 5 3s, 5 5s, 5 7s, 7 1s. 25 minus 7. 25 minus 7, that is 18. So 25 and 7. 25 into 7. So 5x square minus 25x plus 7x minus 35 is equal to 0. Minus plus minus. Okay, 25 7 ja 175. So make it into two parts. 5x is common here, x minus 5 plus 7 is common, x minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is a common factor, x minus 5 one factor, 5x plus 7 is equal to 0 another factor. Either x minus 5 is equal to 0 or 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. Either x is equal to 5 or 5x is equal to minus 7. This implies x is equal to minus 7 by 5. So therefore solution set is 5 comma minus 7 by 5. So note down this sum. So question number 26, it says, not 26, 26 is over, 27. 3a square x square plus 8abx plus 4b square is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. So same procedure. First and last term we have to multiply. First and last term. 4 3s are 12, a square, b square, x square. So split into two parts. Okay, so that we can get, so 6 2s are 6 into 6 2s are 12, 6 plus 6 a b x into 2 a b x, correct? 6 plus 2 8. So 3a square x square plus 6abx plus 2abx plus 4b square is equal to 0. Now what is common here? 3a square. Okay. 3ax common. So what remains? So ax plus 2b. ax plus 2b remains. Plus here we can take 2b common. What remains? 2b means ax plus 2b remains. Okay. So what is the common factor here? Ax plus 2b. One factor. 3ax plus 2b is another factor, is equal to 0. Either ax plus 2b is equal to 0 or 3ax plus 2b is equal to 0. ax is equal to minus 2b or 3ax is equal to minus 2b. Minus 2b. So x is equal to minus 2b by a or x is equal to minus 2b by 3a. So therefore solution set is minus 2b by a comma minus 2b by 3a. So this is the solution set. So note down this sum. So 28 sum 4a square minus 4ax plus a square minus b square is equal to 0, where a comma b belongs to R. So 4x square minus 4ax plus a square minus b square. Now we have to use this as 4a square minus b square into x, and we have to split into two parts. Okay. One I can split like 2 into a plus b. Yes. Okay, minus will be there. Therefore, 2 into a minus bx. Correct? So what happens if you, so what happens is, just to see, 2a plus 2b into x minus 2a minus 2b into x. 2ax plus 2bx minus 2ax plus 2bx. So what remains? Minus 2x cancels. So 4bx remains. 4bx remains. But we should get how much? 4ax we should get. minus 2a plus bx and minus 2a minus bx. 2a plus 2b into x minus 2a minus 2b into x. Correct? Now 2ax, 2bx minus 2ax minus into minus plus 2bx. So what happens here? This is into. So if you add or subtract. So if you subtract, what happens? Subtract means what happens? 2ax, 2bx. Okay? I am subtracting. Plus 2ax minus 2bx. If you add, you will not get that answer. If you subtract, you will get this answer. Okay? You will get this answer. So 2ax, 2x, 4ax. This will be cancelled. So we have to. So what I should write? 4x square minus 2 into a plus bx minus, subtract, we have to do 2 into a minus bx. Okay? Minus 2x, we are also minus. Okay. So now what is the common factor here? Plus a square minus b square is equal to 0. So I will put a line for this. Okay. And now what is common here? 2 common, x common. What remains? X minus 2 into a plus b. 2 common. Here also 2 remains. Here 2 goes. A plus b. Minus, here what is common? 2 into a minus b common. So what remains? 2 no. Only a minus b common. So 2 will not be common. So a only a minus, because it contains also a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, a minus b common. What remains here? 2x minus, here only a plus b remains. Is equal to 0. Understood now? Here 2x common. What remains here? 2x remains. 1x is outside. 2 is also outside. X is also outside. Only a plus b remains. Here I am a minus b. Here also only a minus b is there. Here also a minus b. If you expand this, is a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, only a minus b is there. One a minus b are kept outside. What remains? 2x remains. Here minus it becomes. One a plus b will be there. So what happens now? So this is common factor. 2x minus a plus b into 2x minus a minus b is equal to 0. Either 2x minus a plus b is equal to 0 or 2x minus a minus b is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to a plus b or 2x is equal to a minus b. X is equal to a plus b by 2 or x is equal to a minus b by 2. Okay? So two factors. Therefore, solution set is, what is solution set? A plus b by 2, a minus b by 2. So these are the solution set. So note down this.